and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about platinum blonde hair care routine. I have been blonde for a very long time and I've been trying out a lot of different products on the market. I think I found a very good routine that gets my hair looking healthy and shiny. Just a little bit of a disclaimer, I am not sponsored in any way. Every product that I'm showing you today is a product that I purchased with my own money. So let's get right into the video. The first product that I love using is a purple shampoo. I only wash my hair twice a week due to the fact that I don't want to strip my hair of its natural oils. What I do though is wash my hair every time with a purple shampoo. But normally I find two problems with a purple shampoo. The first issue is the fact that it is really drying on my hair. And the second thing is sometimes it overtones my hair. Overtoning is not a problem for certain people, but I don't like a few purple streaks in between, and then it actually just makes the rest of the hair a bit more brassy. So I found the perfect purple shampoo and I've been using it for quite some time. It is the Goldwell Blondes and Highlights, and it says here it's an anti-brass shampoo. It's for luminous blondes and highlighted hair. This has got a fade stop formula and Mirabelle lipid oil, and the hairdresser said to me that the lipid oil is what makes the shampoo not dry out your hair and makes it very shiny. This is really one of the best products that I've found after trying out nearly over 10 purple shampoos. This is all packaging. They actually revised the packaging. I just had, the salon had an old one when I purchased it. The next product is a conditioner, Goldwell Dualsenses Blondes and Highlights Anti-Yellow Conditioner. It also has luminosity for blonde hair and color protect. It is slightly more tinted. To get back to the purple shampoo, I don't know if you can see, it still doesn't stain your hair, and this product smells amazing. I'm going to sample the shampoo as well, just for you to see. It's almost done, so I have to shake it a bit. Oops. You can see the shampoo, and it's got a bit of shine to it, which is actually nice, but this product simply smells amazing. Back to the purple conditioner. I really like this product. It makes my hair soft and shiny. You guys will think that I'm a Goldwell ambassador because everything that I'm picking up here is Goldwell. A little bit of info. My mom is a hairdresser and I grew up in a salon. The salon where she worked at was Goldwell exclusive. And so for me it's a very well known and trusted brand. The next product is the Goldwell Dualsenses Rich Repair. It's a restoring serum spray, regeneration for damaged hair, and it's color protection. What I like about this product is it really makes my hair feel soft and healthy. A little bit of detangling, but I know it restores my hair. I spray it on after I towel dried my hair, and then I can comb it through. There's another one similar to this that I also use. I actually combine both of them, and I'll get to that now in a second. Why I use this is it's got heat protection. Using this product I really feel okay to, let's say I'm in a hurry and I need to go to town and I don't have time to let my hair air dry. I can just use the blow dryer and just, you know, blow dry my hair slightly and comb it through, and my hair will be perfect without styling it physically. The product that goes hand in hand with that is the Blondes and Highlights Brilliance Serum Spray with luminosity for blonde hair. It's exactly the same. It smells different. This smells a lot like the shampoo and the conditioner. I really love this, and this product is quite similar than the Rich Repair. I actually like it more, but it really makes my hair bouncy and shiny. I can just really towel dry my hair, spray this in and comb it through and air dry for the rest of the time, and my hair will look quite okay. Not necessarily a beautiful blowout, but it will really be healthy. It's not so bad frizzy at all. It really is a great product. to use. Let's get over to the next product. It's a Schwarzkopf Professional Blonde Me Instant Blush. It's a blonde beautifier and it's got a blush effect. The rest is in another language. Okay, the color I've got is steel blue. I purchased I'm not sure what the purple color's name is called, but I used to have that before. The thing that I like about this, it's really soft on my hair. It smells amazing again. It's a really great product. The only downfall to it, if you don't spray it correctly, if you don't keep it far enough away from your head, it might, make patches of blue streaks or whatever color of this range you choose. So that's the only downfall. You have to really keep it away quite far, and you can't really target a specific area. Let's say your roots aren't as white as the rest of your hair. It's difficult to just spray it on your roots because obviously the rest of the spray will fall on your mid shaft. The next product is called the Goldwell Soft Color. I've got it in the color 10BS. This is an amazing product. This is like my all-time favorite product. If you have platinum hair, you can't go without this stuff. It's like the holy grail of blonde hair. Very important though, a few things. Your hair needs to be lifted a very light color. You have to be a very high level. A 10, a 9 won't even work. If your hair is blonde but a bit more brassy, but it's not light enough, this product won't unfortunately do anything to your hair. Now the color I've got is a 10BS, which is a beige silver. I previously had the 10V, which is the 10 violet, as well as the 10P, a 10 pearl color. I love all of them. I try them out to see whichever one I would really enjoy, and I'll probably buy all three and just play around and sometimes use all three at one time. I really love this product. It's an amazing product. How it works is sometimes once a month, let's say if I feel a bit of brassiness coming through, I will wash my hair with my purple shampoo, and then when I get out of the shower, just towel dry my hair with my microfiber hair towel. I will then, remember now the hair will probably be a bit tangled. I will divide my hair into sections and start adding this mousse from root to tip. I will comb it through. It combs very easily because again I'm sure this has got some other oil in that really feeds your strands, and it makes your hair so shiny afterwards. They recommend that you leave it on for 20 minutes. I have left it on for longer. It's not like it's going to overstain your hair, but when you've got it in your hair, maybe let's say you leave it on and keep it like that for a day or so, and you wash it off or rinse it off afterwards. Your hair will then be so shiny, so smooth. The tone is just magnificent. It will look like you just walked out of a salon. And the thing with this product is it's amazing. I can't describe anymore. But your hair have to be the lightest level to be able to really see the effects of this product. Let's just go into the directions just to make sure. Conditioning foam colorant to boost your color brilliance and increase vibrancy. pH of 6.8. Color washes out. The application you have to shake well before use and use gloves. I don't use gloves though, but it's a light color so it doesn't really stain my hands. If you go for the darker color, then definitely you have to wear gloves. Distribute evenly throughout shampooed, towel dried hair. Comb through and leave the process for 5 to 15 minutes. Sorry guys, not 20 minutes. A deeper result will be achieved with longer processing times. Okay, so at the end of the day, if you leave it for half an hour to even an hour, that might still work as well. Like they said, it will just be a deeper result. Rinse thoroughly. Content is sufficient for 5 to 6 applications, so this is not bad at all. I will link all the prices of these products. I will just see which websites do sell them. Each hairdresser or each salon sells these things at different prices. If you are near a salon, then I would suggest you go and purchase it there, or you can use online stores as well. I will link down below in the description box the products, the names, as well as the prices where you can purchase it from. The next product that I'm going to be talking about is a serum. I really love using serums after I would towel dry my hair and do the spray, leave-in serum sprays. I would also sometimes add a few drops of a physical serum, or what they normally call it, like a nourishing oil or something like that, especially just in the ends for the frizziness. And the one that I'm going to show you now, I purchased it from Clicks. Now, I don't know if this product has been discontinued or if it's just off the shelves at the Clicks that I was purchasing it from. But it's the Toni and Guy Glamour Serum Drops for Shine and Anti-Frizz. What I like about this product is it really leaves my hair soft and smooth, and it really reduces the frizz. Even if I do add a lot, sometimes I would really just divide my hair into 2 sections when it's still wet, and maybe 4 to 5, even 6 drops, and work it in from, let's say, mid shaft to end. And even sometimes when my hair is dry and it feels a bit frizzy at the ends, I would do the same, and it might look a bit oily. Within half an hour, all the product will be absorbed into the strands, and your hair will really feel a lot better and look gorgeous. But yeah, the only downfall about that product is the fact that it doesn't smell that nice. Then moving on to the last product that's quite similar to that I also love. It's the Sorbet Dry Bar Shine On Sugar Argan Nourishing Oil for all hair types. I purchased this product at Clicks as well. It's very, very inexpensive, and I really love this product. They also have a purple one. I think it's the keratin treatment, if I'm not mistaken, the keratin oil. I just preferred this one. I purchased both and I tried them both out, and I just preferred this one above the other one. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment down below what tutorial you would like to see next.